Is that milk?
Yeah, I love milk.
Who's drinking milk?
I'm drinking milk.
We're all drinking milk. Are they drinking milk?
Who doesn't?
I eat my milk.
I melt my milk.
Please, Ma.
I make milk!
We started drinking milk, and we never stopped.
I've actually never tried it. Just kidding. I love milk.
Afterward milk?
We interrupt our regular program. This is a statewide emergency. Important instructions follow. The following message is transmitted in a request of the Texas State Division of Emergency Management, the Texas State National Guard, and the Texas Department of Public Safety, in conjunction with the United States Department of Civil Defense and the United States Armed Forces. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Russian, North Korean, and Chinese forces have begun an invasion of Texas. Cities including Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, McKinney, Plano, Wichita Falls, Highland Park, Allen, Austin, Round Rock, and San Antonio are currently under attack by Russian forces. Cities including Corpus Christi, Houston, Port Aransas, Brownsville, and New Braunfels are currently under attack by North Korean paramilitary personnel. Cities including Lubbock, Odessa, Midland, and Amarillo are currently under attack by Chinese forces and various attack teams. Residents within the aforementioned cities are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately. If you are surrounded by Russian, North Korean, or Chinese forces, do not fight back, as it is extremely certain you will be shot. Instead, you should immediately surrender, put your hands up, and do not take any substance. This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means an actual attack against this country has been detected, and proper action should immediately be taken. The United States Armed Forces are attempting to fight off the Russian, North Korean, and Chinese forces as much as possible. Repeat, residents are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately. If you are surrounded by Russian, North Korean, or Chinese forces, do not fight back, as it is extremely certain you will be shot. This is an extremely dangerous